Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome to Sunday salads. And also happy Mother's Day for those of you who are mothers out there. I hope you have a wonderful day. It's a little different than usual because we're kind of separated from our family if they're grown. But I think the World Wide Web will be lit up today with FaceTime calls. I almost said Facebook, with FaceTime calls. So enjoy your day as best you can. And one of the things you might try is this salad. This is an oldie but a goodie. Something I haven't made in a long time. And I don't know why, because it's quite tasty. And it's also a good salad for the warm summer months that'll be coming up someday. I know if you're in New England, that's not today. But anyway, this is a Waldorf salad. And a Waldorf salad is basically a fruit salad with a mayonnaise dressing. And there's a lot of variations. The original Waldorf salad from the Waldorf Astoria, I believe, used Granny Smith apples and red grapes. But I'm using red apples and green grapes, so it doesn't really make any difference. It's just the color. Of course, the flavor of the Granny apples is considerably more tart than some of the others. So I'm going to bring you down to the counter and I'll show you the supplies you're going to need, and we'll get busy making a Waldorf salad. Be right back. Okay, I think you can see me here. The first thing I have over in this pan is some walnuts, and I'm just going to toast them lightly. I have them on like a medium heat, and basically you just toast them until you smell them, and once you smell them, they're done. And I'm going to just put them in this little cup when they come off so they can cool. Okay, here I have 2 apples, 1 stalk of celery, and some green grapes. My dressing will be mayonnaise. I am using a light mayonnaise today. Sour cream, lemon juice, and a little bit of sugar. And I'm going to start by making the dressing in this bowl. And then we'll put our fruit in it, if I don't lose all my grapes in the meantime. It calls for 3/4 of a cup and 1/4 cup, but I'm not going to make quite that much. What I have here is a 2/3 cup measure. And I'm just going to add that. I'm going to add maybe a little less than 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. Or creme fraiche if you have that, but I don't have that. I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Don't you love my sugar jug? I didn't use all this margarine either. Somebody else did, but I like the top. Now, it says juice of 1/2 a lemon, and I didn't have any lemon, so I have to use the squeezy one. It should be a fresh one. And that's it for the dressing. And I'm going to give it a little taste. It's good, but the consistency I think is a little bit too thick. So I'm going to add just a dab of milk. Just enough to thin it out a little bit. All right, we'll set that aside and we'll start on our fruit. And I am going to cut down the middle of this fruit. And I'm going to cut down the middle again. Then I'm going to take each piece and just go this way. And it cuts the core out. Okay, I'm going to take these off and just put them in that cup back there. I'm dicing them, but not in horribly small dice. And onwards and upwards. Now this is an excellent salad to use as a side salad with a nice maybe some pork medallions, which of course is just a pork tenderloin that has been sliced. And because we all know that pork and apples go together very well. Don't forget to take the stickers off your apples. I saw them at the last minute. Alrighty, let's move on to the celery. And I don't think I'm going to use all of this celery. It's a big stalk. And I'm cutting them fairly small. I guess I did. Thought I saw an apple seed there. All right. Now the next thing and the last thing I've got to cut are some green grapes, and I'm going to quarter them. One keeps trying to get away. I don't know about today's weather, but where I come from in New England, they expected rainy, snowy weather yesterday. This is May. This is, now if you don't like the idea of mayonnaise on your fruit, this can certainly be made with a vanilla yogurt. In fact, it would be a very healthy salad if you made it with some fat-free vanilla yogurt. Not the Greek yogurt, that's too thick. But the regular yogurt. I am going to add just a few raisins, mostly for color. They're not in the original recipe. And of course I'm going to add my walnuts. And that's it. And we're going to get this all mixed up. Another thing you can do with your walnuts is candy them. And candying is nothing more than getting them a little wet with some egg white, sprinkling some sugar and spices on them, and baking them in a 350 oven for a little bit till they get nice and toasty brown. And then they'd be very sweet, candied, obviously. You could make this salad the day before. And there you go. Waldorf salad. Let me just rinse my hands off. And I'll give you a little taste. Ooh, I think I've got a little of something of everything in here. And I do like the sweetness, the hint of sweetness that the raisins give, so I'm glad I put those in. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and chill it, because I'll let you in on a secret. I'm making it on Saturday. Can't make it on Sunday, or you'd never get to see it. There. And here we are. There you go. So anyway, and try this. I think you'll like it. Now, there's different ways to serve it. You can serve it on like a bed of lettuce, like pretty bib lettuce or butter lettuce. Nice scoop of the salad on it, and maybe some like pork medallions or roasted chicken breast sliced on the top, and that would make really a great lunch salad. Or you can serve it as I am in just a little bowl as a side salad next to our dinner. And we're having beans and franks tonight, so we'll be having a side salad of the Waldorf salad next to it. Or you can serve it as a dessert salad, and especially if you serve it as a dessert salad, you can use the mayonnaise, but I think I'd use the vanilla yogurt and make it really a fresh fruit salad. But that's not a typical Waldorf salad. The Waldorf salad is made with mayonnaise and creme fraiche or mayonnaise and sour cream. So anyway, that's the salad for today. I don't want to tip it so much I spill it. So tune in Tuesday, we'll play in the craft room again. And next week, I think I'm going to do something with macaroni. I'm feeling like macaroni. So I'll see you again next Sunday for Sunday Salads. Again, happy Mother's Day. Stay safe, play by the rules, keep your distance, wear your masks, and play nice now. Bye-bye.